Are there student-athlete resources for dealing with NIL changes in 2025? Breaking news for student-athletes. The question on many minds is whether there are resources available to help navigate the changes in name, image, and likeness regulations in 2025. As the landscape continues to evolve, understanding these updates is essential for balancing sports and academics. Let's get into the details that matter most right now. Yes, there are resources and ongoing developments aimed at assisting student-athletes in this new environment. The College Sports Commission has recently issued updated guidance on NIL payments. This guidance clarifies that collectives can pay athletes if deals have a valid business purpose and fair market value compensation. This is a significant shift that helps student-athletes understand permissible NIL deals under current rules. Additionally, the House versus National Collegiate Athletic Association settlement, approved in 2025, allows member schools to pay student-athletes directly. The limit for these payments is up to $20,500,000. This change requires universities to develop compliance strategies to support athletes in managing these payments effectively. International student-athletes face unique challenges due to immigration laws that have not yet aligned with NIL changes. Legal experts recommend that universities collaborate with Immigration Counsel. This partnership ensures that international athletes can safely engage in NIL activities without risking their visa status. Some law firms and attorneys specialize in providing guidance for this group. Moreover, executive orders and federal efforts aim to further regulate NIL payments. These include requirements for universities to maintain or expand scholarships in women's and non-revenue sports. Such policies may influence how resources are allocated and how student-athletes receive support. Smaller athletic programs and universities may find themselves at a disadvantage compared to larger programs with extensive NIL collectives. However, resources for student-athletes at these schools can include institutional support offices, NIL education programs, and scholarship protections. These resources are designed to help level the playing field for all student-athletes. In 2025, student-athletes have access to evolving regulatory guidance, legal advice, and institutional support to navigate NIL changes. Universities and external organizations are actively working to provide resources that address compliance, fair compensation, and special considerations for international athletes. Understanding these resources is essential for student-athletes as they balance their academic and athletic commitments.